This is a 2002 Catalina 42. This boat originally went into production in 1988, so this was one of the newer ones. Many of them are a lot older. The newer ones show just a nicer finish. It comes with a good sized cockpit with a walk-through at the stern, and it's got a davit system for the dinghy. It's a 2-year-old inflatable dinghy with a 2-year-old 3 horsepower or 3.5 horsepower Mercury. A nice davit system. A good Brooks and Gatehouse instruments. Nice big open interior. This boat came as a 2-cabin version and a 3-cabin version, and the 2-cabin version is the most popular, and it has a much better, bigger, nicer main salon. You'll notice the wood is very good on this boat. Nice table, good accoutrements, a good nav station, good galley, front loading refrigerator, nice big starboard aft cabin. This boat is listed by Jim Prejean in our office here at Marina del Rey. His telephone number is 619-990-7367. Please call him for more details. Thank you.